Hi everyone, my name is Laura. Today I'm here for a new makeup tutorial. This is actually my first Halloween tutorial of 2019. So I've decided to make a tutorial that was super easy, very Halloween and classic and cult. This is why I'm doing Morticia Addams from the Addams Family movie. If you haven't seen the movie, go check it out. It's really a classic from Halloween movies. So I highly suggest you go and binge it right now. But first, maybe you can actually watch the makeup tutorial, which is super easy. The challenge I have here is that in Paris, as I live in Paris now, I don't have any SFX makeup tutorial, I don't have any paintings, so I only have to use makeup that I own right now, which is super easy and simple makeup. So today we're going to use red lipsticks, black and white and grayish eyeshadows, so quite easy, and a light foundation. That's all you need. So let's get right into the tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, be sure to thumbs up this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel And new thing, ring the bell, obviously, to be notified of all the upcoming videos I will be uploading on my channel. If you have any recommendation on Halloween tutorials or just makeup tutorials or videos in general, be sure to comment with your recommendations on that video or just send me a message. I'm super happy to hear you guys out, so if you have any recommendation, be sure to communicate them. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!